I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. Today, I'm showing you my Honda Accord. It's broken. I'm going to show you guys my Honda Accord. We also had to rescue it from the street. It was totally dead this morning, and that's a bummer. All right, let's go out there now. Let's try and figure out what's actually wrong with it. I don't know if the tree branch hitting the roof did something. I don't know. I don't know a whole lot about new cars. If there's some crash sensor or something like that, I don't know. If it was an old car, it would just start right up. So let's go take a look, figure out what's wrong. We'll probably have to jump it with the truck and go from there. I came out this morning to go to work. I noticed a big tree branch on the ground. There was a huge storm last night. And upon closer inspection, there's a big dent in my roof where it hit the roof. The branch was about 30 feet up. I got the key in the ignition. Nothing happens. All right, the battery is totally dead. It's got like 0.5 volts. So hopefully the battery's not ruined. I don't understand why the battery's dead. It sat for 3 days and normally it sits for 2 days and it's fine. So there must be a really bad draw somewhere. All right, it's running, but why did it go so dead? I found our culprit, so it's not very eventful. I don't even know how I hit this. Somehow I managed to hit that, and it was daytime, so I couldn't tell that was hit. So that ends that chapter. That's kind of a boring video. I'm noticing in addition to this big dent, there's a couple little dents over here, which are directly above that map light. And I'm deciding that's what turned the map light on. Welcome back to Beat Up Builds. My name's Daniel, and this is my 2006 Honda Accord that I got for free from my parents. I hate front wheel drive, I hate automatics, but it's free. How do you argue with that? And it gets excellent gas mileage. It's got 206,000 miles, so it doesn't owe me anything, and it'll be a great little commuter. But you know, you guys know me, I can't leave things alone. I'm trying to think about what I could do to this thing to make it a little bit more enjoyable to drive than just another commuter car out there on the road. So that's where we're at with this. Let me take you guys around, show you the car. I've had it for a couple weeks now, but I've literally just put gas in it and hopped inside and drove it pretty much. I haven't really done anything. I haven't even really looked at everything. So let's take a dive in here, go through with a fine-tooth comb, see what we're working with, and see what we need to fix. That's kind of it. I think it's a good car overall. It's just not, if I ran out and bought a car, it probably wouldn't be this one. Let's just say that. But we have it. It was free. Let's run with it, have some fun. I really want to tackle those suspension parts that are in the trunk. It needs them really bad. Something is clunking like so bad in the front end when you take off. It's not good. And it needs to be fixed right away because, I don't know, I'm afraid the control arm's going to fall out or something like that. It's not good. It clunks a ton. So let's get the wheels off, get this thing jacked up, and see what we're dealing with. I got the axle in, but I had to take the whole knuckle out, I guess is what you would call it, or hub or whatever. I want to change this ball joint because we have it, but we have to get this ring out. This ABS sensor stuck in there. And this has to get pressed out. It seemed easier than trying to do all that in the car. So I popped it out. Let's start working on that. And then hopefully we can start reassembling. I got the ball joint in. So this is the sleeve. They're all about this length. They're different diameters. It's too short. So I ended up finding a piece of exhaust tubing, and it crushed a little to even out, but it worked and it got it in there. So woohoo, we spent $0 yet again, and it's in there. Yay. And now we know how to do it for the other side. So awesome. Let's keep going. I put some red paint on the caliper bracket and the caliper just to see how that would look. I've never done that before, but I figured if you're gonna try it on something, why not try it on a Honda? That's what Honda people do, I think. So we'll see how that looks once we get it all back together and get a wheel on. I'm making some progress. I've got the lower and upper control arm on, strut in. Ready to put the knuckle on, and then just button the rest of it up, and then we'll finally be done with this side. Yay! It's all back together. I'm not sure how I feel about it. How about you guys comment down below and let me know what you think. My question is, what should I do to this thing? I need a decent daily, and so I don't think I can mod it heavily at the moment, but maybe we could make it look cooler. Do I make it a rally car, or look like a rally car? That would be pretty cool. Honda never did WRC. We could also just slam it and do like a body kit, like pretty much everybody does. They do look really cool that way, I feel like, for what it is. Kind of racery and not entirely my thing. I think I'm leaning towards like maybe a rally car. I don't know. What do you guys think? How can I do that cheap? What are your recommendations? Do we paint these wheels white? What do we do? I'm excited to do something to that car. I feel like it's begging to be modified, and also I can't leave things alone. So I want to do something to it. I don't know if it's paint the wheels white or something to look more like a rally car. I don't know. I don't have any budget right now. I'm broke. But if you like, comment, and subscribe, I'm close to getting monetized, and you can help me out with that. And I'd much appreciate it. We can do cool stuff. And I'm making a video every day because I'm crazy and I want to get lots of subscribers and stuff, and I think this is the best way to do it. Plus, I want to meet Cleetus. That's the goal as well. I want to go to the Freedom Factory, and I think that'll help the channel grow. There's a video right here on why I want to do that, so check it out. It explains in more detail. And check out my other videos. I do cool stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.